Hello, my name is Elizabeth Nafula Nyongesa. I'm a firstborn in the family of 8. I've taken 9 academic years in the University of Eastern Africa, Baraton, in the School of Nursing. I've taken this long to study because I used to defer school because of lack of funds, and this happened when my father lost his job in 2018 when he was sick from May to December. So I had to defer and sacrifice for my siblings to go to school, and there were no funds. So I met Dr. Mary Kay in 2019 in April when there was the medical camp at Mahonge Health Center organized by the MCA. That was when I met Dr. Mary Kay Evans-Smith, and we worked together. I was her interpreter during the medical camp, and out of that I learned to give back to the society through volunteering. I've volunteered so many times in different health facilities, and the last one that I have volunteered is working as the university dorm nurse in the student affairs department. And I met again Dr. Mary Kay this year in April when we had the medical camp at Chwele Girls Secondary School. So when I had deferred in 2021 and I was working with the sub-county hospital, Kimilili, I reached out to Dr. Mary Kay Evans-Smith in August. I wrote to her and told her that I'm not in school because I have deferred and there's no money for me to go back to school. And that was the year I was thinking of dropping out of school since there were no funds. So I reached out to her, and together with the team that had come to Kenya in 2019, they had to work together, contributed funds that were channeled towards my academic, and together they worked in partnership with Harambee Center and the Grace Resources for Community Action in Kenya. So they collaborated with Joy, Mom Grace, and the team in the Harambee Center, and they raised my funds. Yeah, so this year when we were planning to go for the community health nursing trip, so I had to create a WhatsApp group and request my friends if they're willing to join. So through the WhatsApp group, there was Mom Grace and Joy, who worked as our treasurer, and so we were able to raise 37,200 Kenya shillings. So this money was to be used for the community health nursing field trip, which is a requirement for our academic before you graduate. So through them, we were able to raise the money. So together they came together as friends, and they saw me through school. And I am going to graduate this year on 13th of August. I am so happy and so grateful.
My name is Joy Wasilwa, the Executive Director of Grace Resources for Community Action. Grace Resources for Community Action is a non-governmental organization based in Bungoma County. Greca was formed in 2019, and during that time, everybody working at Greca was a volunteer at Chwele Community Resource and Peace Center, and we were working under Harambee Center, which was sponsoring projects in the community, especially Chwele and Namwela community. We wanted to expand our territory and reach more people, serve more people, and that is why we came together and formed Greca. We have been mentored, given leadership classes. Najijali project beneficiaries will be in school for 6 months, after which they will do their attachment for 3 months, get on to begin their own small businesses, either in groups or as individuals. This is where we are calling like-minded organizations and supporters to come and join us in supporting these girls. If you would like to support this initiative, please visit the link below. This scholarship provides vocational training skills for the girls, nutrition for the girls and the children, transportation to and from campus, medical cover for the girls and the children. It also provides childcare development for the children.
I'm Betty Mayeku. I currently work at Kibabi University as a faculty member there. I was working as the Minister of Education in the county government of Bungoma. And when I was there, that's when this project Najijali began. And it's one of the projects that has been dear to my heart since the beginning until now, seeing it running, continuing or going on, it's such a joy to my heart. Linking to that, because of the dropout rate, there's high rate of teenage pregnancies because most young people are dropping out, especially girls dropping out of school. Then the teenage pregnancies are also rising. And so this program came in handy, trying to give a second chance to teenage mothers. But besides that also, to be able to prevent such things from happening. One of our major projects that we started, and it's also been dear to my heart, is being able to enable these young, bright kids be able to pursue their high school education through a scholarship program. And that's one of the major programs that has touched many lives. Continuing this passion to continue supporting young kids to be able to pursue their dreams through education. So joining Harambee Center through Greca to be able to help them support the scholarship system. Given that I have experience in the program that we were able to run for over close to 5 years, how to do the selection of scholarship beneficiaries, how to manage the resources, do the resource allocation. And at the moment I'm working with Greca, who are in partners with the Harambee Center, to be able to assist them to be able to establish this program, because I've had experience working with it from incepting the program, the scholarship program at the county, until it was able to be implemented, and it's been a very successful program. And so we'll work with them, see how we can get started in terms of even the selection process, until making sure that the program is successful. But for it to be successful, we are in the entire need of our partners, because that is where the baton stops, so that we can have resources to be able to support these young people. And it's our desire and calling upon all the partners who have passion in helping the young people pursue their education dream to join us as we walk this journey.
My name is Dorothy Muhebi, and I've been working in international agricultural development for the last 43 years. I went to Alliance Girls High School, one of the best schools in Kenya, and that's where I met Grace Kuto. She was my house mother, and the house mother is like a mentor to a junior student. Currently, we want to involve more leaders to support younger girls in the same school. We want to involve girls from Bungoma County, one of the poorest counties in Kenya. A lot of young girls end up dropping out of school because of poverty and also because of teenage pregnancy. And we would like to support these young girls to go through high school and most probably made an impact on their background. We want to involve old girls or alumni of Alliance Girls High School from Bungoma District to support this initiative, and that's why we are here. And we would like anybody who wants to come on board to please come along and support this initiative to support a young girl from a poor background and who has a lot of potential, so that they can go to high school and have an impact on the society.